Good morning and namaskar. Today, in the Speak Up India campaign, I want to speak to you about the migrant workers of India. Depending on whichever survey you see, there are anywhere between 6 to 10 crores internal migrant workers. That is, people who have left their state and work in another state for economic opportunity. Most of these are poor wage laborers, which means that they get an hourly rate or a daily rate for their work. They live in a state where they do not know the language and therefore governmental infrastructure is not accessible for them. When this lockdown was suddenly implemented, in a few hours, all these workers were suddenly told to stay at home with no means of getting back home, to stay in those small little shacks that they live in, or the small little rooms that they live in, or in the construction houses that they live in, at the mercy of their owners, their maliks, and dependent on them for food. I want to read out a list of names to you. Hassan Sheikh and 4 others in Mumbai from Murshidabad. Osman Reja and 17 others in Bhubaneswar from Murshidabad. Atikul Islam and 29 others in Bangalore from Murshidabad. Noor Alam and 7 others from Murshidabad, Malda, Dinajpur in Bangalore. Hazrat Umar and 7 others in Chennai. John Turu and 7 others in Chennai, all from Murshidabad. Saber Ali and 39 others in Kozhikode. Subal Murmu and 9 others in Kannur. Nazirul and 12 others in Jaipur from Burdwan. Istekhar and 21 others from Ludhiana from Malda. Sayabuddin Sheikh and 34 others from Murshidabad in Kochi. Sheikh Monowar Ali and 13 others from Paschim Midnapur in Bangalore. Sheikh Jahangir Hussain and 6 others from Paschim Midnapur in Bangalore. Sajan Chhetri and 24 others in Bangalore from Alipurduar. Bidyasagar Devbarma and 7 others from Tripura in Purulia. Mehboob Rabbani and 2 others from Ladakh in Kolkata. These are just some names of people who me and my friends have been able to help during this lockdown period in terms of food. Were they beggars? No. They were hard-earning people just like you and me, but unfortunately from a different economic class. Why did I have to provide food for them? Why did my friends have to provide food for them? Why did not the government of India ensure that they spoke up for them? Why did the government of India ensure that they get a ride home? Why did people have to find out ways and means of reaching them in the containment zones with either bags of food or cooked food? The government failed them. And these names that I just read out to you are just a few of all the names that I received of so many other people that we could not help. And now think of those thousands, maybe lakhs, on the roads even today, walking home. People dying, kids dying, little boys and girls dying, their mothers dying, on the roads, in the trains, because the government of India chose not to speak up for them. It's time for us to speak up for them. It's time for us to speak up for the India that matters. It's time for us to speak up for those of India who may not be on social media, but matter as much as we do. Speak up, India.